In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Sendwave account. By the end, you'll have your account set up and ready to use. Make sure you've installed the Sendwave app, you have a stable internet connection, and the mobile number you want to use is active and nearby. Start by opening your Sendwave app. On the welcome screen, choose Sign Up to begin creating your account. First, enter your full legal name. Using the name that appears on your official ID helps prevent issues later and makes verification smoother if you're ever asked to confirm your identity. Next, type in your email address. This is where receipts, important updates, and account recovery messages will go, so use an email you check regularly and ensure there are no typos. Now look for the small flag icon next to the phone number field and tap it. This lets you set your country code. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find your country. For example, you can search United States to select the +1 code. Once the correct code is selected, enter your phone number without extra symbols or leading zeros. Double check it. This number will receive your verification code. You'll see a prompt that says, "Where are you sending first?" Tap that and choose the country you plan to send money to first. Picking the correct destination helps the app tailor your experience and fee information from the start. Before continuing, check the box to agree to the terms and privacy policy. It's a quick acknowledgement that you're setting up an account under those conditions. When everything looks good, tap Sign Up. Sendwave will text a verification code to the phone number you entered. Open the message and type the code exactly as it appears. If it doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment and confirm your number and country code are correct. After verification, it's time to secure your account with a PIN. Tap Create PIN and choose a PIN you'll remember but others won't guess. Avoid simple patterns like 1234 or repeated digits. Re-enter the same PIN to confirm, then tap Confirm PIN. That's it. You'll see a confirmation that your account has been created. From here, you can explore the app, add a payment method, and prepare your first transfer. In some regions or for larger amounts, you may be asked later for additional verification. That's normal and helps keep your account secure and compliant. If the sign up button is disabled, check that every field is filled, the destination country is selected, and your phone number is correct. Keep your PIN private, and you're all set to start using Sendwave.